Good afternoon. Good afternoon po. All right. Okay. Good afternoon, everyone. So while waiting for other attendees, no, nag-register sa ating pre-orientation tonight, we will start and habol na lang yung iba. Anyway, live naman tayo sa ating social media platforms. Then if you do have questions and concerns moving forward, you can just send a message or comment doon sa ating comment section. And of course, available din yung ating Zoom link, no? Diyan sa ating social media platforms, sa ating Facebook pages, sa NASHA and sa ILP. So to other nurses na habol, no? Gustong humabol, you can just access the link sa ating Facebook pages and then you can join the Zoom para if you have questions right away, we can answer. Okay, so by the way, my name is Chris. I'm from Nasha Business Consultancy Services. We are the most innovative processing company in the country that provides innovative assistance to medical professionals around the globe to become licensed professionals in USA, Canada, Australia, Middle East, and other licensure exam application process. So today, we are going to discuss things that you need to know for the NCLEX USA. Is it possible for you to become a USRN within 6 months? No? Pwede kaya? Is it possible to complete the visa screen process within 2 months, within 3 months, and of course, including the license endorsement. So today we will be discussing the detailed information about the NCLEX process and the services that we are being provided to our medical professionals. Okay. So just like what I mentioned earlier, we help nurses to become licensed abroad. So as you can see, no, on my screen, ito yung mga nurses na natutulungan natin. We have also some of our events and orientation, live orientation together with our partners across the country. And some of our passers, no, you can see some of our passers here. So if you are a nurse planning to take the NCLEX, planning to become a USRN, once you choose NASHA with your application process moving forward, you can also see yourself here and celebrate natin yung pagiging USRN ninyo or pagiging NCLEX passer ninyo. Okay, so services of NASHA. So we provide NCLEX USA, NCLEX Australia, NCLEX Canada, license endorsement, visa screen, USA license renewal, pass letter requisition, CJFNS certification program, Middle East exam application, school requisition of documents, and local license verification. So yung school requisition of documents natin, once we proceed with our NCLEX, there are some documents coming from the school that needs to be submitted to the Board of Nursing or health authorities in the US. Same as to our local license, we need to verify that one. So it will be sent to the Board of Nursing or health authorities in the USA. Okay, so we are also in partnership with different facilities and hospitals across the US that offer sponsorship and direct hire opportunity for nurses. Also, we have partners like review centers, training centers for language. We have English Testing Center, IDP, and other companies, no, within this industry. So moving forward, once you pass the NCLEX, once you become a USRN, we can endorse you to our partners that provide sponsorship and direct hire opportunity for nurses. So as of this time, we think about gaano ba talaga kadami yung demand of nurses in the US. So according sa US Labor Bureau of Statistics, you can actually Google it. No, there are about 203,000 nurses needed each year from 2021 to 2030. 2031. So we're talking about millions of nurses for the next 8 years. And according naman sa Health Resources and Services Administration or HRSA, no, ito yung projected demand of nurses by 2036, no? So as you can see, itong mga highlighted colors, no, itong 26%, 16%, yan yung mga needed na nurses sa US. And if we are going to read the description, there are about 350,540 RN positions are projected to be unfilled by 2026. That's 2 years from now, or that is equivalent to 10% shortage, no? So talagang napakadami ng demand of nurses in the US. So if you are planning to practice your profession in USA, so this is the best time, no, talaga to start the journey. But of course, everyone is actually waiting, no, because of the visa bulletin, no. So, sir, is it timely ba na mag-proceed sa NCLEX because of the status sa visa bulletin? Timely po ba na mag-proceed sa NCLEX? Actually, hindi naman affected yung NCLEX mo because of the visa bulletin, kasi once you pass the NCLEX, valid naman yan for life, yung result, and your license is renewable every 2 to 3 years. The applicants that is affected by the visa bulletin are those applicant na mayroon ng mga priority dates, no? Doon na sila sa deployment process. So as of this time, fiscal year 2024, wala pong movement, no, sa ating visa bulletin still December 1, 2020, but it is expected to move, no, by month of October 2024 this year, because yan yung starting ng ating fiscal year 2025. So it is expected that the embassy will issue another number of visa or another number of EB3 visa. So it's okay to wait. Most important thing is that we already passed the NCLEX. We have our visa screen. Once ma-open na naman, once ma-current, tayo yung magiging priorities ng employer because we already completed our NCLEX and our visa screen. Okay? So, ito yung mga question, no? Why start the exam or the NCLEX exam as early as now? What are the reasons that we need to know why we need to start processing our application? Why it is the best time to start? Kasi kung kailan current yung visa bulletin, saka mag-proceed sa process, no? So dapat habang mas maaga, we start with our NCLEX para we still have time to comply the requirements, we still have time to focus on our review and exam preparation. So some of the reason why take the NCLEX exam as early as now. The processing time frame varies depending on the chosen state. So yung processing time frame natin, nakadepende talaga yan sa napili natin na states, no, for the NCLEX. Requirements such as school documents and license verification can take 3 weeks, no, to complete the process. So may iba pang schools na aabot ng 1 month or sometimes sobra pa ng 1 month yung kanilang requisition of documents. Next is that the approval process only begins once the Board of Nursing receive the last required documents. So let's say you proceed with your application, nag-submit ka na ng school documents mo, nag-submit ka na ng local license verification mo, it will not start unless na-receive yung last document like your application and any other documents that needs to be complied. Okay? Next, taking the exam early gives you an ample time to focus on your exam preparation and review. Of course, the more na longer yung ating preparation, the more na mataas yung focus natin, the more na we can understand the topic, the more that we can read more concepts and understand the rationale. Of course, mas mataas yung chances na papasa talaga tayo sa exam. And of course, becoming a USRN is not an overnight success. It is a journey. If your goal is to practice your profession in the US, you must plan and start ahead. No? Just like any other nurses na nag-start ng kanilang application nung mga matatagal na panahon pa. Okay? Next, who will pay for my NCLEX and review? So, yung iba gusto nang magsimula, but of course, they don't have enough money to pay for the application process. So, we have actually two options, no? First is that you pay for your processing and review, and once you pass, your future employers will reimburse all the expenses for the NCLEX and for the review, and will cover all the expenses for the visa screen, license endorsement, and any other expenses for your employment processes. No, so most of the employers, they offer direct hire and sponsorship programs. So yung kanilang sponsorship is by means of reimbursement. You spend money for your NCLEX and for your review. Once you pass, okay, we will reimburse you. Second is wait for agencies that will pay for your NCLEX and review before you start the process. Kasi mayroong mga agency or companies na sila nag-shoulder ng expenses for the NCLEX and for the review. So, however, there are only limited agencies doing this one. And most of the time, they prioritize those who already passed the NCLEX. Kasi gusto mangyari ng agency or ng company or ng employer is may assurance talaga na you will pass the examination. Just like with our applicants, no? Most of our applicants, they pay for their NCLEX, they pay for the review. Once they pass the exam, their employer will reimburse all the expenses for the NCLEX and for the review. And yung mga succeeding expenses like the visa screen, license endorsement, English proficiency exam, they will shoulder that one, no? Sila yung magbabayad. So these are the reason why take the NCLEX exam as early as now. Okay? So ngayon, okay, you know the reason, you know the demand of nurses in the US. Pag-iisipan naman natin which state to process, no? Anong state yung dapat nating i-process? So in my orientation, in my events, I always discuss factors that you might consider in applying for the NCLEX USA. Yung number one dyan is states that issues active license. Because some of the states in the US, once you pass the NCLEX, hindi po yan sila magbibigay ng active license. Ibig sabihin, yung license po natin is inactive. For you to be able to have an active license is you need to have to submit a social security number, or you need to have a driver's license, things like that, which you can only obtain in the US. So like for example, Florida State, no, some of the nurses, they really want to take their NCLEX in Florida kasi they have relatives there or doon yung kanilang state of deployment. So they can take it, they can pass the exam, however, inactive yung license nila because kailangang mag-process or kailangang mag-submit ng documents like SSN to have their license active. And take note that most of employers, they want to have you an active license. They want you to have your active license once they proceed with your employment processes. Next is that social security number. So if you're residing in the US, you can obtain this one. Pero pag nasa labas ka ng US, nasa Pilipinas ka or outside the US, you don't have a social security number, then you cannot proceed with the process or with the state that requires SSN. Same as to English proficiency exam. Some of the states, they requires you to have an English exam upon the NCLEX exam application. Next is the work experience. Yung work experience naman, some of the states, they are very, very particular with the work experience. Like for example, sa license endorsement ngayon, they are very, very particular with the work experience, some of the states. Next is date of graduation. Let's say you graduated more than 10 years ago, they require you to have a certificate of employment that really justify that from the date of your graduation, you practice your profession as a nurse. Okay? Next is application validity. So different state, different application validity. So let's say you cannot take or pass the exam within the application validity. There are states that allows you to still take the examination, but there are states that once your application is expired, you need to reprocess it again. What does it mean? We need to submit another documents to the Board of Nursing. We need to submit another documents to the Health Authority. They're going to evaluate that one. You pay the process and so on and so forth. So another expenses, at the same time, another waiting time. Okay? But definitely, we can process the 50 states in the US. However, these are the factors that you might consider in applying for the NCLEX. That is why in NASHA, with us, we provide a free assessment and evaluation. So titingnan natin kung ano yung mga consideration mo, ano yung mga reason mo, bakit yan yung napili mo na states, then we will recommend you the best option for you to be able to proceed with the process. Okay? So, our best recommended states for the NCLEX, we have New York, we have Illinois, we have New Mexico, and we have Saipan. Why ito yung ating best recommended states? Before, kasali dito yung Texas. But because of the changes in the Board of Nursing, may mga policy sila na nagbabago from time to time. So, every now and then, ina-update natin yung best recommended states natin based on their processes. So this one, even if you are internationally educated professional or nurse, you can process your application outside the US. So not necessary na nasa US ka, not necessary na may English exam ka, not necessary na may social security number ka. Okay, so we will discuss first the NCLEX New York. So almost 90% of nurses, they choose to have NCLEX New York for a following reason, okay? So the processing time frame will take 3 to 5 months. But here in NASHA, most of our applicants are getting their approval within 1 to 2 months, no? So ganun siya kabilis. Work experience is not necessary, but if you have one, that's actually good. PRC license is not necessary. Let's say you pass the board exam, but you don't want to declare your license because you want to save money, or you don't want to process the local license verification because it will take time, then you can proceed with NCLEX New York. Accepted yon kasi optional lang yung ating local license verification. However, after passing the NCLEX, pag nag-proceed na tayo sa visa screen process, we need to declare our local license. Okay? So next, no CGFNS and fingerprinting. So we don't need to undergo credential evaluation and criminal background check. Application is valid until you pass, but you need to take the exam within 5 years span of time. Ito na yung sinasabi ko kanina about sa application validity. Sir, what will happen if I cannot take the exam within 5 years? Do I need to submit another application? Do I need to submit another documents like school, like PRC, to the Board of Nursing? Basically, hindi na po. All we need to do is to update your file to the Board of Nursing. But sa ibang states, so later, madi-discuss natin yan, sa ibang states, if you cannot take the exam within the validity of your application, is you need to redo the process. Submit another documents, pay again, and wait for your approval. And once approved, proceed na naman sa next step. Okay? So I hope you learned something from NCLEX New York. Next, can I endorse my license from one state to another if I pass the NCLEX? Ito, common ito na question. Sir, once I pass NCLEX New York, do I need to practice or do I need to work in New York before to move in another state? Not necessary. So kahit nandito ka sa Pilipinas and you wish to endorse your license doon sa state of deployment mo, we can complete that one. Not necessary for you to work in New York. However, if the state of deployment requires a social security number, you need to be in the US first, process your social security number, and start your license endorsement. Okay? So here with NASHA, we can start with the free assessment and evaluation by sending your initial documents. All documents will do, not necessary to have in new documents from your school, no? Kahit all documents, okay lang yan. Just take a picture of it, make sure na clear copy and whole page. We need the TOR and RLE, college diploma, PRC ID with signature. Yung PRC ID natin should be valid 8 to 9 months, no? Board rating, board certificate, passport with signature. Of course, the passport must be valid. Marriage certificate if married, and birth certificate. Sir, question, what if wala akong board rating, wala akong board certificate, and wala akong RLE? Can I proceed with the assessment? Basically, yes, no? So, pag lacking yung documents natin, okay lang po yun. We can have it, no, once nag-proceed na kayo sa actual process. For now, we don't want you to request documents from your school kasi another expenses yan, no? Later na natin gagawin yan once you proceed with the process. Okay? So, what's the good thing about this New York? It is the most affordable, no? Ito yung pinaka-affordable na states within our highly recommended states. At the same time, we have our ongoing promotion that will end until August 31 or August 30. So you could save $30, no, sa ating application, or that's around 1,700 or 800. Hindi ganun kalaki, but it can help you na po, okay? So, for NCLEX New York, we have two steps. Yung first step natin, that's the application and eligibility. Ibig sabihin, marireceive natin ang approval natin. Okay, again, you have an option if you want to declare your local license for the verification. Let's say na-receive na natin yung approval and then ready na tayo mag-take ng exam. That's the time to proceed with the step 2 process. So, step 2 process, you will receive your ATT or the authorization to test. Ang validity niyan as of this time is 6 months. So we need to schedule you and you need to take the exam within the validity of your application, of your ATT. So, sir, bakit as of this time? Previously kasi, ang validity talaga ng NCLEX New York is nag-change yan from time to time. Okay, like for example, yung Texas before, ang validity niyan is 90 days or 3 months, then move to 6 months. For NCLEX, New York, valid na siya ngayon for 6 months. So within the validity of your ATT is you need to take the exam, and of course, ang goal natin is to pass the exam. Okay, so next is NCLEX Illinois. Okay, so it's almost the same requirements. Ang pinagkaiba lang, instead of high school diploma, instead of college diploma, ang isi-send natin dito is high school diploma. Okay? So you can take a picture of that one or you can send a message later para po ma-discuss namin or ma-inform namin kayo sa mga requirements. Okay? So processing time frame will take 2 to 5 months. Work experience is not necessary, but we need to process fingerprinting or criminal background check. After you pass the NCLEX, you need to process licensing for you to be able to acquire your license. Unlike sa ibang states na once you pass the NCLEX, immediately you will receive your license. For Illinois, kailangan mag-process tayo ng licensing. And application is only valid for 1 year. Ito na yung sinasabi ko kanina. If the applicant cannot pass or take the exam within the application validity, and then gustong mag-take ulit, kailangan nating mag-process ng reapplication. So we need to submit another documents to the Board of Nursing para ma-approve and then proceed sa next process. And once passed the NCLEX, also you can endorse your license from one state to another. So let's say yung state of deployment mo is Illinois, then we can recommend you to have NCLEX Illinois directly. Okay? So there are 3 steps for NCLEX Illinois. We need to undergo credential evaluation service under CJFNS. So we need to send some of the documents to CJFNS. That includes your school documents, local license verification, and yung ating secondary school verification. And once report issued na kayo sa CJFNS, that's the time to proceed with the step 2, which is the application and criminal background check. And once complete na yung step 2 natin, that's the time to proceed with the exam registration, which you will receive your ATT, we will schedule your exam, and you take the examination. Okay? So, ito yung fees dito, discounted din ito. Just like what I mentioned earlier, it's like an investment. You spend money for your NCLEX. Once you pass, employers will reimburse all the expenses that you have for the NCLEX and for the review. Next is NCLEX Saipan or NMI. It's almost the same requirements with NCLEX Illinois. However, dito hindi na tayo mag-undergo ng credential evaluation service under CJFNS. So as you can see, things that you need to know, processing time frame for NCLEX NMI is 4 to 5 months. Sir, why 4 to 5 months? Before, mabilis ito. But they are transitioning from paper application to online application, and sometimes they have delays sa kanilang pag-respond sa kanilang mga applicants. That is why yung processing time frame natin is 4 to 5 months. It requires to have original employment certificate if you graduated BSN more than 10 years after the date of your completion. Again, factors that you might consider in applying for NCLEX, just like what I mentioned earlier. Official college transcript must specify the pharmacology course. Application is valid for 1 year. Can endorse license from one state to another. Okay, so in NCLEX NMI, there are 2 steps, step 1 and step 2. Of course, yung step 1 natin, application for you to have your approval, and once approved, you can proceed with the exam registration, have your ATT, schedule your exam, and take the examination. So itong fees is also a discounted fee. Okay? And lastly, we have NCLEX New Mexico. No? So it's almost the same requirements with NCLEX Illinois. Mayroon din tayong credential evaluation service sa ating step 1, and yung step 2 natin will be application and criminal background check, and step 3 natin is yung ating exam application where we can receive an ATT, schedule your exam, and take the examination. However, there are things that we need to consider, like the processing time frame will take 3 to 5 months. Application is valid for 1 year, requires fingerprinting and criminal background check. Work experience is not necessary, and once passed the exam in New Mexico, you can endorse your license from one state to another. Again, tulad ng sinabi ko kanina, may changes yung Board of Nursing from time to time. New Mexico before is not part of our best recommended states, because yung application validity before is only valid for 6 months, including yung criminal background check. So the Board of Nursing changes their policy, their rules, so that is why part na siya ng recommended states natin, kasi from 6 months, yung application is valid na for 1 year, including yung ating criminal background check. So it will give you enough time to focus on your exam preparation and review. Because as you can imagine, pag 6 months naman talaga valid yung application, kaka-approve mo lang. So within 6 months, kailangang mag-take ka kaagad ng examination, or else ma-expire yung ating application, and we need to resubmit or do the reapplication process again. So just like what I mentioned earlier, sir, is it possible ba to complete the process or become a nurse or become a USRN within 6 months? No? Okay. So we have checked this one sa mga applicants namin, yung especially yung mga fresh graduate, kakatapos lang ng kanilang PNLE, ang naging preparation nila is 5 months or 6 months, no? So if you have the focus, you have the discipline, you have enough time, you're not working, or even working ka, but you have the focus, you have the discipline that you wanted to complete the entire process within 6 months, possible naman yon, no? So sacrifice tayo ng 6 months, but after 6 months, worth it naman lahat, kasi your license is valid for life. That's a life-changing opportunity. Okay? So you start your application with NASHA. Within 1 month, accomplish all the documents and application processes. Okay? So on the 2nd and 3rd month, while waiting for your approval, you do your review. Okay? So it depends on you. If you do have a study guide, if you have a allotted time for your review and exam preparation, it's up to you. Depende talaga yan sa ano natin, sa availability, no? Especially if you are working. So within 4th and 5th month, no, once you receive your approval, immediately proceed tayo sa exam registration. Then you will receive your ATT. From there, we can schedule your exam and continue doing your review. Habang nag-proceed tayo doon, continue ka sa review and exam preparation mo. So, pwedeng in next month, no, doon sa ika-6 na month natin, doon yung schedule mo, so you take the exam and wait for the result. Kasi yung result naman within 62 hours, immediately marireceive na natin yung result. So NASHA will inform you the result of your examination after 62 hours. Okay? So possible po, no? If we have the focus, if we have the discipline, if we wanted to commit ourselves na within 6 months, dapat USRN ako, possible po because of the help of NASHA and of course because of your commitment that you wanted to become a USRN within 6 months. Pero if you want to do like 7 or 8 months or let's say 9 to 10 months, pwede naman po. You give enough time, no, for yourself to do some assessment or to check on your availability, especially if you are working. And titingnan mo kung how many hours ba yung kaya mong i-commit sa exam preparation and review. So some of the states that we can process for the NCLEX, we have Montana, Florida, Colorado, Connecticut, Minnesota, and Pennsylvania. If ito yung mga state of deployment mo, we can directly proceed your NCLEX with these states naman, no? But again, may mga things lang tayong need to consider. That is why we provide free assessment and evaluation para alam natin kung ano yung pathway na tatahakin natin for the process of your NCLEX. Okay, so after the NCLEX, you already passed the NCLEX. Ano yung next process? Ano yung next ko na gagawin? Ang next na gagawin is, of course, you look for employers that will provide you opportunity of working abroad, of working in US. And again, what's the good thing about NASHA is we are in partnership with different hospitals and facilities across the US that offer sponsorship and direct hire opportunity for nurses. So you can just send your updated resume. We will endorse you to them and they will communicate with you and arrange an interview with you. And yun, no? So marami naman po tayong mga nurses na natulungan na ma-hire ng ating mga partners. Okay, so the next process will be the visa screen. No, so for the visa screen, things that you need to know is that initial state pass the NCLEX. Of course, kung saan ka pumasa ng NCLEX, yun yung ibibisa screen natin. Let's say you pass NCLEX New York, then we do the visa screen New York. Not necessary to have active license. So let's say mayroon ka, ang napili mo is Florida na state which issues inactive license. So we can just proceed with the visa screen using your inactive license. Halimbawa, nakikinig ka ngayon, nag-join ka ngayon, tapos expired na yung license mo, can you still apply for visa screen? Yes, basically, that license kahit expired na, pwede tayong mag-visa screen. Processing time frame is 1 to 2 months, no, for you to get certified. Mabilis po masyado yon, no? And sometimes, mayroon pa kaming mga applicant dito, days lang certified na po sila, no? So somehow, yun yung track record ni NASHA when it comes to assessing our clients with their visa screen and any other licensure. It needs to have an English exam, and usually it is paid by employers. So the same process with the NCLEX. If gusto mong mag-process kagad ng visa screen mo, gusto mong ma-certified na para pag bukas or current na yung visa bulletin, ikaw kaagad yung priority, pwedeng mag-process ka na ng visa screen, and once certified ka and ma-hire ka ng employers mo, they will reimburse, no, all the expenses for the visa screen. So regardless kung saan kayo nagpa-process or saan kayo magpa-process ng application ninyo, keep the receipt, no? Keep the receipt or the invoices para po ma-reimburse ng employers ninyo. And the visa screen, that's valid for 5 years. Now imagine 5 years. Okay, so one of the main requirement for the visa screen is the English exam. So these are the English exam score requirements for the visa screen. So you can take a screenshot of that. Pero pag hindi pa kayo nagsisimula sa NCLEX ninyo, in the meantime, don't think about the visa screen and the English exam. Yung goal muna natin is to pass the NCLEX. So one step at a time. Okay? But to give you general information, ang accepted na English exam for the visa screen is the Cambridge, we have TOEFL, we have TOEIC, we have IELTS, we have Michigan English Test, OET, and Pearson PTE. And yun yung mga required scores for different English exam. Okay, once you're done with your visa screen, and then na-hire ka na, and then may state of deployment ka na, that's the time to process license endorsement. No? Again, license endorsement, it is usually paid by employers. Okay? Things that you need to know, or what are the initial requirements for the license endorsement? Of course, you pass the NCLEX. Some of the states requires English proficiency exam. It needs to have the TOR and RLE, high school diploma, PRC ID, board rating, board certificate, passport with signature, marriage certificate, and birth certificate. But if you already start your NCLEX with us, or if you plan to start your NCLEX with us, you submitted your requirements during the NCLEX, we have our database, so we have saved all your requirements. Processing time frame, of course, it will depend, no, kung anong state yung ating ipaprocess. Some of the states accept inactive and expired license. Some of the states requires English proficiency exam. Some of the states requires social security number. Some of the states requires credential evaluation service, just like CES, no, to be submitted in CJFNS or any other health authorities that is approved by the Board of Nursing. And some of the challenges that nurses encounter during the license endorsement is that some of the Board of Nursing can only be accessed using US IP addresses and using US card. And good thing about NASHA, we have the platform, we have the tool, we can help you with this kind of complication processes, no, sa license endorsement. So yung mga states before na difficult to process like Utah, Louisiana, Colorado, even score transfer, we do that one, we can basically process it. Okay, so we can definitely help you from your NCLEX, visa screen, and license endorsement. So again, NASHA ensures that medical professionals are provided professional application preparation services for every steps and procedure of your exam application for USA, Canada, Australia, and the Middle East. We are proud to say that we are the only processing company in the country that has a mobile app designed for the application process, because we know the problems and challenges of nurses in the past. So using our platform, using the mobile app, all you need to do is to focus on your exam preparation and review, and NASHA will handle all the application processes. Now, if you could see my screen, makikita natin sa mobile app yung application where you can track the progress of your application 24/7. You can see the latest updates every day. You can check our partners, our services, testimonials. No, you can listen to our testimonials that will help you, no, to improve your strategy, to improve your focus and discipline. So these are successes, no? These are success stories of our nurses, which you can learn and you can also apply in your exam preparation and review. We have also our coaching session, so you can access that one once you proceed with a free assessment and evaluation. Coach Kendra is actually doing the coaching session. How do you manage yourself, your time, things like that. We have QBanks, so free lang yung QBanks natin that will enhance your stamina in answering questions. So there is a rationale with that. Every time you accomplish your QBanks, you can read and you can review. We have also our readable review materials. Available yan sa mobile app natin, so you can read anytime. We have our promotion, just like this month, we have our ongoing promotion events like this one, no? And you can also book a call using the mobile app. No, if you wanted us to call you in your prepared time, date, no, kung kailan yung day off mo, so using the mobile app, you can book a call. And at the same time, referrals. If you want to help nurses to have hassle-free and affordable processing, no, you can refer your colleagues or your friend. So using the mobile app, there is a unique link there. So you forward nyo lang sa kanila, they will create an account, and you can see their status, no, kung nag-proceed na sila sa application, and yung referral fee, no? So you help, at the same time you earn. And you can use that one on your personal needs, or if you want na gagamitin mo sa next process mo, sa next application mo, you can do it. We have nurses, we are happy to say this one. We have nurses na nahihirapan talaga sila, or nahihirapan siya na doon sa budget ng kanyang application. So what she did is she keep referring nurses to us, and hanggang sa yung amount ng kanyang yung amount ng referral fee niya is ginamit niya, no, for the application process niya. So parang wala talaga siyang naging gasto sa NCLEX niya. Yun lang, medyo matagal lang siya nag-proceed kasi nga kailangan niyang mag-refer para panggastos sa NCLEX niya. Okay? You can also check hotels in our Nasha mobile app. Hotels na kung saan malapit yung testing center ninyo. If you plan to take the exam outside the country or in the Philippines, so you can just check yung ating hotels na recommended na malapit sa testing center, including the list of the testing center around the world, no? So makikita po natin sa mobile app. We have Jobs as well. So Jobs is in partnership with AppCare. AppCare is one of our platform. You can build your profile. You can connect to different employers locally and globally. Okay, and we have our upcoming yung tickets. No, so we are in partnership with different agency that providing services for travels. So that moving forward, no, makikita na lang natin dito yung mga available na mga tickets if you wanted to travel. So I would like also to share to you some of the feedbacks on testimony of our nurses, no, when it comes to our assistants. So this is not just an assistant, it's a success story, no? Success story ng mga nurses natin. Marami po ito sa ating website, sa ating mobile app, sa ating social media platforms. So whatever success they have or whatever success you have, it is our success as well. No, these are some of the story of our nurses na before parang it is really impossible to complete the process, but because of our assistance, they are now a USRN. Okay? So you can also check our YouTube channel, our TikTok account. Mayroon po tayong mga Nasha Talks doon. So it's the same with testimony, which you can learn their strategy, their techniques, of course, yung study guide nila on how they pass the exam or how they manage themselves during the examination. There's a lot of stories there. You can check it anytime. Okay? And some of our events across the country, together with our partners, together with the nurses. So we'll keep you posted if we will have events moving forward, maybe in your area or in the main cities here in the Philippines. Just like what I mentioned earlier, we have our ongoing promotion right now. You can save up to 2,000 pesos for the NCLEX USA, NCLEX Canada, NCLEX Australia, and 1,500 pesos for your visa screen and license endorsement. And you can access our national mobile app for free. May QBanks po doon, may recorded coaching session, readable review materials, success stories and testimonial of nurses, and many other features, no, na available sa mobile app natin. So we always say na dito na sa mabilis and maaasahan, because again, your success is our success. And ipopromote ko na lang din yung ating yung aming platform, another platform namin, itong AppCare, where you can build your profile and then connect to different employers locally and globally, no? So makakatulong talaga yan sa inyo, no? Yung matching, no, based sa work experience mo, sa hinahanap mo na trabaho. Okay? So, if you want to partner with Nasha, you can contact us, no, sa number na nagpa-flash ngayon sa screen ko, or you can check our website, nasha.ph. You can send us an email, support@nasha.ph, or you can download our mobile app. That's for free. Available yan sa Android and iOS. Okay? So, we are here to guide you and help you all throughout the process. And we are excited to help you with your licensure exam application and to achieve your professional goal abroad. Maraming salamat for giving us your time. And if you do have questions, we can now proceed with the Q&A.